Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftRevz. Today we're exploring the latest features of EdrawMax 14, the all-in-one diagramming tool that's about to take your projects to the next level. Whether you're creating flowcharts, mind maps, or organizational diagrams, has everything you need and more. The download link is available in the video description. EdrawMax is an all-in-one diagram making tool that can be used for flowcharts, mind maps, fishbone, network and UML diagrams, floor plans, office layouts, Gantt charts, business cards, infographics and presentations. There are thousands of templates to choose from, all designed by professionals. You can choose from over 210 types of diagrams, including mind maps, flowcharts, organizational charts, and more. Head over to the templates community where you'll find over 20,000 free editable templates for your next project. Whether you're planning a business strategy or designing a floor plan, there's something for everyone. EdrawMax supports a wide range of file formats, including Visio, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, PDF, and more. You can import and export your files with ease, ensuring compatibility with all your tools. Plus, with cloud storage, your files are synchronized across multiple devices, so you can access your work from anywhere. When you launch EdrawMax for the first time, the application greets you with a thoughtfully categorized home page. At the top of the home page, there's a For You section, along with a new AI feature. If you need a quick template or diagram, there's a dedicated search bar at the top of the main window. Creating an AI-powered flowchart is incredibly simple. All you need to do is write a text prompt describing the flowchart you want, and EdrawMax will do the rest. Select AI diagramming and write your prompts in the dialog box to instantly create mind maps, flowcharts, tables, SWOT analysis, etc. If you are confused about what to create, the AI feature will help you generate an example to make the task easier. No need to manually drag and drop elements or worry about layout. EdrawMax AI takes care of everything. This feature is perfect for saving time. Another cool addition is the flow animation feature. When you select any shape in a flowchart, you can see flow animations on the connecting paths, making it easier to visualize the process. Click Beautify allows users to automatically design themes for flowcharts, organizational charts, and other diagrams. You can also create an AI-powered mind map. Simply type your topic as a prompt, for example, social media marketing, and the AI will instantly generate a detailed mind map for you. No more dragging and dropping elements, just write your text and it's done. Once your mind map is generated, you can customize it further by clicking on the Beautify button. This feature allows you to change the style, layout, connector style, branch fill, branch line, theme color, and font, giving your mind map a polished and professional look. But it doesn't stop there. By clicking on Edraw AI, you can continue to expand the mind map, polish your text, create smart summaries, adjust the length of your content, change the tone, or even translate the text. This makes it incredibly easy to create, customize, and enhance your mind maps with just a few clicks. In the EdrawMax AI chat box, you can easily upload your document to gain deeper insights and summaries on your topic. Simply upload your file, and the AI will assist you by answering questions related to the content. You can ask anything and get detailed responses instantly. If you need more, You can regenerate the answers or even convert the text into a mind map or list. This feature is perfect for quickly summarizing documents, organizing ideas, or getting a comprehensive overview of your material with minimal effort. Just upload, ask, and let the AI handle the rest. Share your files online and work together with your team in real time. Whether you're in the same room or across the globe, EdrawMax isn't just a diagramming tool. It's a complete solution for all your visual needs, whether you're working solo or with a team. With its powerful AI features, extensive template library, and seamless collaboration tools, EdrawMax is the perfect companion for any project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.